Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail R. Carmelim bringing to you the Salesian news across the globe. There are indigenous peoples on the Amazonian border between Ecuador and Peru who struggle with marginalization and lack of access to a healthy life. But thanks to the action of the Salesian province of Ecuador ECU and its Planning and Development Office, these populations have received the support of the humanitarian brigades of Mission Don Bosco. The first intervention was carried out in Sapa Pensa and a Khubor indigenous community located in the province of Morona, Santiago, Ecuador, with a population of about 568 inhabitants. Here for 3 days in September 2023, about 200 patients from the Khubor communities of Sapa Pensa, Anantak, Mamansa, Musap, Karakam, Setich in Ecuador and Yankuntich, Kuna Chayat in Peru received medical treatment and underwent a series of medical analyses to detect any pathologies. From 17 to 19 March, the Salesian Network of Brazil RSB organized the annual meeting in the presence of the committees of the provincial coordinators of the schools, social action and communication areas and the National Commission of Salesian Youth Ministry. The event on the theme Dreaming on the Net brought together 53 participants from all Brazilian regions with the main objective of strengthening the Salesian mission on the net, promoting integration between the members of the committees and the commission, synergy and synodality, and sharing the responsibilities for the general actions provided for in the annual work plan and in the 2024 integrated formation plan. For a Better World was the motto of the second edition of the Intermediate Vocational Training Competition held on 20th March at the Salesian Padre Aramburu work in Burgos. The jury, composed mainly of entrepreneurs from Burgos, highlighted the quality of the projects and presentations. 50 participants, including young people, teachers and entrepreneurs, shared a morning of intense work to present the projects carried out by the boys and girls of the Salesian Centers of St. James the Greater Province SSM. The water use installation created by the students of the first middle grade of the electrician's course of the Salesians of Pamplona won the competition, followed by the Bomba Mecate project of the Ciudad de los Muchachos in Madrid. On the 5th anniversary of the Apostolic Exhortation Christus Vivit, Pope Francis invites young people to make their voices heard as they bear witness before everyone to the joy bond of friendship with Christ. The certainty that Christ is alive and He wants you to be alive has inspired Pope Francis to write again to young people on the 5th anniversary of his Apostolic Exhortation to Christus Vivit, written in the wake of the 2018 Synod on Young People, Faith and Vocational Discernment. On Sunday, March 24th, 100 cyclists and volunteers participated in a charity bike ride to support Hospice Malta, organized by Friends of Don Bosco Malta, which represents the Past People movement. This is the first edition of a new annual initiative which marks the Dies Natalis of Alberto Marvelli, a past pupil of Don Bosco who was a true hero of charity and an avid cyclist using his bike to give donations to the poor. The cyclists embark on their journey early in the morning, covering a scenic 25-kilometer route from Savio College to St. Patrick's School, which are two Salesian schools. The route, carefully planned, offered cyclists not only a physical challenge but also breathtaking views of Malta's picturesque landscapes. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.